Oh, wait. Alright guys, my first ever single roller coaster, technically. This is mountain coaster at SkiStar Hammarbybacken in Stockholm. Central, well, almost central Stockholm. It's made by Sunkid, so it's also my first coaster by Sunkid, and I think this ride has like a quadruple down or a quintuple down drop sequence. So this is gonna be pretty fun. It already feels way different than the other mountain coaster I've done, which is Alpine in France. That was a weekend alpine coaster, and my god, the sun is bright. So you can't really see a ton on the camera. I'll try to make it look as good as possible, but because I have to hold the brake forward, I can't guarantee how good this will look. But hopefully it'll look fine. This opened this year, it's brand new, and I gotta say already, this location is gorgeous. It's a beautiful place. It's so cool as well. And when we got up to the top, for the first time, I got to see the view over Stockholm from here, which I'm really looking forward to. And as you can see, the lift next to me is for people going summer skiing. And there's mountain, well, not mountain climbing, let's go high climbing next to me. And there's a guy on a snowboard next to me now. You can see him go up. So I will try to go as fast as I can. Maybe I'll brake a little in the beginning just to make sure that I can get some speed going and I don't get slowed down by the people in front of me, because that's often an issue that people experience with mountain coasters, is the fact that the people in front of you are slow, so you have to brake. I didn't experience that on the one in France. I could go as fast as possible on that one, which was pretty good because it was pretty short as well, so that was easy. But we'll try to see here what I can do. And here we are at the top. And I can already say that the view behind me is incredible. We'll be able to see the globe and nature to the left and straight ahead. And we'll be able to see Grönalund as well. And here we go. Full speed ahead. It's, oh my god, this is beautiful. I can see Grönalund as well. And here we go. Whoa! Okay, this is really fun. It's not as great laterals as Alpine, but it's still really fun. It feels less dangerous than I imagined. Okay, I take that back. Oh, this is fast. This is really fast. Here comes the, I think, quad or quin down. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, this is really fun airtime. Whoa! Okay, this is a really good mountain coaster. Wow! This is fast! Oh! Whoa! And then brake. Okay, that was actually great. That was fantastic. I really, really like that. Definitely go check this out. It's 95 Swedish kroner for one ride. You can pay, I think, 100 Swedish kroner more and you get 3 rides, maybe. And this is a really, really fun experience. That was really cool. Definitely check this out.